Want to beat sugar spikes and finally feel in control? Tap subscribe, hit like, and drop a comment saying help if you need a personal diabetic meal plan. Let's do this together. In this video, I'll walk you through an entire day of eating the right foods for diabetes, from morning to night, and what exactly happens inside your body when you do. Start your day right. Have a glass of warm water and 5 soaked almonds. The fiber and healthy fats balance your fasting blood sugar and support your digestion. Breakfast options. For breakfast, choose one of these power-packed meals. Oats porridge with chia seeds, basan chilla with mint chutney, vegetable upma made with millet, mung dal chilla, or 2 boiled eggs with a multigrain toast. These are rich in fiber and protein, and they help prevent sudden sugar spikes. Mid-morning snack. Feeling snacky by 11 a.m.? Choose a small fruit with low glycemic index, like papaya, apple, or guava. Avoid bananas, mangoes, and grapes. They raise your sugar fast. Lunch. Let's build a healthy lunch plate using the 50-25-25 rule. 50% vegetables, 25% whole grain, like 2 rotis or some brown rice, and 25% protein like dal, paneer, or tofu. Add a small bowl of salad and a teaspoon of ghee or olive oil. Evening snack. Evening cravings hit hard, but resist the biscuit. Instead, go for green tea with roasted chana, boiled sprouts, or a handful of makana. It's light, but keeps your sugar steady. Dinner. Make dinner light and early. A bowl of vegetable soup, 1 multigrain roti, stir-fried veggies, and a little paneer or tofu. And here's a tip. Try to finish dinner at least 2 hours before bedtime. Foods to avoid. Avoid the sugar landmines. White rice, white bread, soft drinks, fruit juices, sweets, bakery items, deep-fried snacks, and yes, even excess jaggery and honey. These send your sugar levels flying. Bonus tips. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Take a 15-minute walk after meals. Eat every 3 hours in small portions and track your sugar levels using a simple app. Little habits go a long way. Closing. Follow this plan for just 1 week and you'll see the results in your sugar readings and your energy. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Need personal help? Just type help. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more doctor-backed health tips.